This is investors going to Anthropic and saying, let's do this. But take that and give us the details that we have so far.
Yeah, sure. So last week, we talked about unsolicited term sheets getting headed Anthropic's way at around an $800 billion valuation.
Which we said Anthropic rebuffed. They basically said, no, thank you.
Exactly. The update now is that Anthropic is actually engaging in those conversations at a $900 billion valuation, even higher, but no term sheet has been signed. So this is not one of those deals where we expect to see a press release, the ink dry by end of day. This is one of those deals where Anthropic is hearing these offers and is responding to the investors that have approached them. And it comes in the backdrop of, Google and Amazon putting tons of capital into Anthropic at around a $350 billion valuation. So to me, this is a really interesting example of there being kind of two tails of capital raising at the same time.
Yeah, Natasha, why the change of heart? Is it a change of heart? Is there a need that before they could tap the public markets? Because we've all been talking about an IPO for this year.
It's pretty much the standard dance in AI fundraising these days is how I see it. When investors approach a company with an offer to invest, a million things could be, wrong, so to speak. It could be the wrong investor, the wrong price. With Anthropic, we all know very clearly that they need capital to fund their compute needs. It's why they've brought on so many strategics. It's also what financial investors are, frankly, taking advantage of by saying, listen, we'll come to you before you go public. We'll offer you a fresh, tranche of capital, get it all ready, and then go public. And so is it a change of heart? I would say, yeah, it's different than them completely ignoring the offers. These are serious investors that are approaching them with real capital offers. The next thing to break is who they'll accept and at what price. Like we said, right now it's at above a $900 billion valuation, which if accepted, would surpass their biggest rival, OpenAI.